System Restore in Windows 10. System Restore helps you return your computer system files to an earlier point in time. It's a good way to solve recent software issues without affecting your personal files, such as email, documents, or photos. Find System Restore by using the Cortana search box on the taskbar. In the search box, type recovery, and then click on the recovery icon in the wizard results. Click on the Open System Restore link to launch the wizard. Click Next. You can choose from a list of restore points created before significant changes, such as installing the program. Click Next. Click Finish to confirm restoring to the selected restore point. Yes to continue. System Restore will now try to restore your Windows to the selected restore point when you start your computer. Once your computer is ready, you will receive a status report on the restore information. You can undo or restore to a different restore point if needed. To learn more about Windows 10 on your Dell computer, visit dell.com/support.